Welcome. Today we're gonna do a layer haircut and we're gonna apply hair building fibers. We're gonna start the haircut. We're gonna apply water to organize the hair for the cut. The top we're gonna leave it with the same length. We're only gonna make a cut to use it as a guideline around the haircut. We are using the cutting scissors. We're gonna make a guideline in the neck area in a horizontal position. Then we're gonna level that guideline with the left side and the right side of the hair on the neck area. Make a guideline on top of the ear of the right side. We're gonna connect the guideline we did on top of the ear with the guideline we did on the neck area. Cut all the way down. Connect the guideline we did on top of the ear with the sideburn area. Make a guideline on top of the ear of the left side. Connect the guideline we did on top of the ear of the left side with the guideline we did on the neck area. We're gonna start making the layers. Use as a guideline the hair we cut on top. We are cutting from top to bottom and we are using 3 fingers touching the scalp. We are cutting in a vertical position and we are connecting the guideline we did on top. We are only cutting the second and first lateral sections so the hair on top covers the clear area. Also connect the hair on the second lateral section with the top of the left side. Also connect the hair on the first lateral section the same way and we are using 3 fingers touching the scalp. Before proceeding with the right side, we're gonna verify the left side. we're gonna make the edges. We are using the cutting scissors. We're gonna comb the hair to the left, and using the tips of the scissors, we're gonna cut going up. You can cut this area using the tips of the scissors going down. We are cutting the excess of hair with the scissors in this area, but later we also gonna use the trimmer. Very carefully continue with the ear area. We are verifying the haircut on the left side. We are gonna connect the front area. We're gonna start making a cut in the middle. Then we're gonna level the left side and the right side. We use the trimmer on the sideburn area. Continue with the right side. We are using 3 fingers touching the scalp. We are gonna connect the guideline we did on top with the second and first lateral section of the right side. Connect the first lateral section. We are using 3 fingers touching the scalp. We are making cuts from top to bottom. We are grabbing the hair in a horizontal position, but we are cutting in a vertical position. We're gonna make the edge on the right side. We are using the cutting scissors, comb the hair to the right, and using the tip of the scissors, cut going down. Comb the hair again to the right and continue cutting going down. We also cut with the scissors the ear area. We are cutting the excess of hair with the scissors, but later also we're gonna use the trimmer in this area. In this area we cut scissor over comb. We use the comb in a 45 angle degree and we cut going up. We are verifying the haircut in this area. Continue cutting using 3 fingers touching the scalp and cut only if it's necessary. We use the trimmer in the sideburn area and we also use it to verify the line we did around the ear. We're gonna make the outline on the neck area. We're gonna use the trimmer and we're gonna apply water, and then using the comb, push the hair flat against the skin to organize it for the cut. We're gonna start making a guideline in the middle, then connect the right side and the left side. In this area we comb the hair to the left to protect the longer hair and continue cutting using the trimmer. You can use the comb to flat the hair against the skin and organize it for the cut. Comb the hair to the right to protect the longer hair and continue cutting using the trimmer. We're gonna make the shave. We're gonna use the straight razor and the shaving cream. Start shaving the middle and then shave the left side and the right side. We're gonna use the blow dryer to style the hair. We're gonna comb the hair back. We're gonna use the hair product Gold Fiber. These are hair building fibers. In this case we use a medium brown. Let the product fall lightly in the area that you want to cover. This product is made out of cotton and is 100% natural. Apply the product depending on the needs and like of the client. This is the final result. This was a layer haircut and we also used the hair building fibers. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching and see you next time. These are some of my previous videos. I invite you to watch them. If you like them, hit the like button, share it and subscribe.